Hello everyone, welcome back to Droid Tips. So many users started having a lot of complaint after they updating the latest released versions in the iOS, which is they're updated to iOS 16.6. So many users end up in having an issue with both the Wi-Fi is grayed out and the Bluetooth is not working. Or some users end up in Wi-Fi is not connecting and the Bluetooth is not working as well after updating to the iOS 16.6. If the same issue is happening for you guys, then you need to watch this video. So that's going to help you guys out. So those who are having this particular issue, just follow the instruction. The first one is all about what we need to do is we just need to turn off airplane mode and we have to turn it on. So just go over here. You will be having an option over here. So just turn on the airplane mode. Wait for hardly, I have to say 10 seconds. Or you have to wait for 10 seconds or more than that. Once after that, you have to turn this off. Now turn this off, and once you turn off the airplane mode, you have to go back, and that is what you have to do. Once you turn on and turn off the airplane mode, you have to see whether the issue is solved or not. If that is not working, we have to move to the next one. Next one is about we have to turn off and on your device. So if your device is already using right now, you just need to turn it off and just on it back once again, and that's going to help you guys out as well. For this, we just need to tap over here in the settings. Now from here we have to scroll down and navigate to general. Now scroll down and navigate to shutdown option over here. Tap on this one and slide this to power off, and once after that you have to turn on your iPhone once again. It will be like a restarting your iPhone. So it is not forced restart, just restart your iPhone once again, turn it off and on it once again, and most probably see whether the issue with the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is solved or not. Still the issue is there, then we can move to the next step. Next step is all about nothing but we have to reset network settings. For resetting the network settings, we have to tap over here in the settings once again, scroll down and navigate to general over here, scroll down over here and go to transfer or reset iPhone. Go over here in the reset, and there is an option called reset network settings. So once you go for reset network setting, once after that, what we need to just do is we just need to turn it will be completing the process. Once afterwards, you have to connect it back to the Wi-Fi once again, give the respective passcode and all the details. I mean, so you have to give all the password, everything should be given, and you have to try connecting it back. Most probably that will be working fine for you guys as well. Even after trying with the reset network settings, still the issue is there, then we can try with the next one. That is all about we need to force restart your iPhone. So for force restarting your iPhone, you have to press volume up followed by volume down, and you have to press and hold the power button unless and until you see the Apple logo. So let me do this. Just we have to press volume up followed by volume down, and we have to press and hold the power button over here unless and until you see the Apple logo. You have to keep on pressing over here. So once it is completely done, most probably. So once the force restart is done, as you can see, you'll be getting the Apple logo once again. Once after that, you have to wait, because force restart is actually a fix for many of the issues. So you just need to wait patiently so that it completely get loaded up. Once after that, what you need to do is we just need to try launching you have to try with the iPhone, try whether the issue is solved or not. In the force restart, it is going to take a little bit of time, so you don't have to worry, you just need to wait patiently. So we need to wait, and once after that, so give the respective passcode on your iPhone and you have to log in, and that is what you have to do. So just let me do like this. So give the passcode. Once after that, go over here and start with the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and see whether the issue is solved or not. Still the issue is persisting, that we can try with the next one. That is all about you need to update your iPhone. Just go over here in the settings, go over here in the general, and just go for software update and see whether you are having any kind of update. So maybe the 16.61 maybe or any other thing might be rolled out. So just update to the latest version if you are having any update. Even after trying with the update still there, you can try with the next one. That is all about we need to reset all settings. You just keep scrolling down, and we have to go over here on the transfer or reset iPhone, go over here reset, and there is an option called reset all settings. So just go for reset all settings. Once after that done with the reset, most probably the issue regarding Wi-Fi and Bluetooth it is grayed out on your iPhone after updating to 16.6 will be completely fixed, and you will be getting all the options like Wi-Fi will be working fine, and you will not be having any kind of trouble afterwards if you try these steps. And this is how you can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.